We are exporting plain t-shirts and plain hoodies. We buy our own yarn, we make our own fabric, then only we make our products. We maintain 7 products ready stock in huge quantity. We have multiple godowns in India. One godown is located in New Delhi. One godown is located in Tirupur, Tamil Nadu. So if you are looking for a premium quality round neck t-shirts for your custom printing business anywhere in the world, we can give you 2 types of product. The first one is regular fit t-shirts. Another one is oversized drop shoulder type t-shirts. So the regular size t-shirts comes under in 180 GSM, 100% cotton super cobbed t-shirts, premium quality. And drop shoulder t-shirts will be little heavier as compared to the 180 GSM regular size t-shirts. Oversized t-shirts, drop shoulder t-shirts will be 210 GSM. We already have been supplying to many countries like USA, Canada, Mozambique, Spain, and many other Arabian countries we are supplying to. We have multiple types of buyer who are buying 50 pieces, 500 pieces, 200 pieces. We are supplying regularly to them. So if you have a smaller quantity like this, we can deliver your products in any country. Most of the countries we can deliver within 7 days. In some countries, it takes 2 to 3 days extra. So how do you check our samples first? There is a link, WhatsApp link in the description. You get back to us, you WhatsApp us, you ask our catalog once, you go through it and order a few samples, you share your address. We will dispatch it, we will deliver it within 7 days, and you use the samples for a few days, get the results and see the results yourself. Once you are okay with the sample, once you are okay with the quality, with the fabric, you can proceed with the bulk order.